Question number 4. 15 cot A equals 8. So let us have a look where our theta will be. First, it is at A, right? So you can see here A and theta is here. So if theta is at A, AC becomes our hypotenuse, BC becomes our perpendicular, and AB becomes the base. Okay. We're also find sine A and cos A. Now, if you look at this 15 again, I'm going to take it down to the denominator by cross multiplication. You can already see, right? 8k by 15k. This k because they are in ratio again, right? Now, they've given us cot A, right? So we know that 10 and quarter opposites. So for 10, what are the two sides? Perpendicular by base. Then what about cot? Cot will be the opposite, which means base by perpendicular. So 8k is our base and 15k is our perpendicular, which I have already written for us. Okay, now let us try to find a third side, AC, by using the Pythagoras theorem. So I've written here the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. AB is how much? 8k and BC is 15k. So square, right? 8 is a 64, k into k square. 15 into 15, 225, k into k square. Now add these two, right? 64 k square plus 225 will get 289 k square. This square went to the other side, so I'll have this root of, alright? And 289 is the square root of 17. Okay, so now I can divide this, the square and the root, and I'm going to get AC to be 17. Okay, now we know all the three sides, so we just have to put directly here, alright? They ask us to find for sine A and sec A. So let's do sine A first. Sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Once you remember, your theta is here, which means AC is our hypotenuse, BC is our perpendicular, and AB is our base. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is how much? 15k, and then hypotenuse is how much? 17k. So I've written here 15k, 17k. This k and k will get cancelled. Our answer is 15 by 17. Now sec, okay? So cos and sec are opposite, right? So if cos is base by hypotenuse, then sec is hypotenuse by base. They are opposite, alright? So hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse is how much? 17k. I've written. Base is how much? 8k. So written here, right? Once again, this k and k will get cancelled, and then we'll be left with 17 by 18, which is our